and this thing is a lot of fun. Exclusive for
Try out the gear, nothing like it. Always make sure
No feet on the ground.
हम लोग सबकॉन्शियसली ये चीज़ करते हैं बट I'm enjoying it every bit of it. Hello, good morning people. So today I'm going to this place called Red Rider Go-Karting Track. So there's an event called Rider X organized by Harley Davidson and Tusker. So वहाँ पे I think they teach you how to be a better X rider. So see you there. Yeah, so it looks like this is our destination. It doesn't look in very good shape, but that's okay. I thought I am at the wrong spot, but I saw a few more riders right in front of me. So yeah, let's go inside and see. So as it turns out, this event is exclusive for the X440 riders, which is pretty awesome.
See that bench there?
This is that go-karting track where we'll ride.
enjoy. We have Sivashish here. We're all with Harley Davidson India, and welcome to the Rider X Bangalore edition. Same logic applies there. In the momentum, it's pure physics, right? Okay. So everything is going towards the front. To push it back, you will have to apply more pressure over there, right? And if you also look at it, suspension, you won't be able to move your hands around or your legs for that matter. So make sure you measure properly. You see the chart. If possible, if you can go and try out the gear, nothing like it. Always make sure. Now you've got so many stores, especially in Bangalore. You've got so many riding stores now. There's House of Machines which has just opened some time back. There are other stores. Harley has amazing gear, of course. You can go to the dealership, try your amazing pants, shorts, whatever you want.
Riding position, right? So what a lot of us tend to do is we tend to arch our back. Okay? What does that do? Put pressure on that C4, C5, I don't know, the one that
L4, L5, not C4.
you put in front, do the action, move it back there. Okay? Next thing is knees. Always hugging. Okay? We are never holding a motorcycle with our arms. Okay? My motorcycle, the pressure I have on my handlebar is probably one little finger's worth of pressure. And I'll show you how it matters also. No feet on the ground. No, he's like, I balance. So we're like, okay. And what?
Signal.
Eventually I have to put my foot down. We're like, yeah. Cool. Okay, so you're saying you can't put both your feet on the ground, right?
I mean, with these shoes, I can manage.
Okay. So even if you could, we recommend you to. Okay. Now what you have is a free left leg to do what? Take your stand out, and first thing is what? Neutral to first gear, right? So this is always on top. Okay. Now hands always on the handlebars. Right? So, what happens generally is people when they stop and they have their left leg on the ground. What happens when the signal goes green?
Change. Things which are more used on day-to-day road, you don't actually go hitting apexes. Very high chances there's a rock there, there's a breaker there, there's something lying around. But even in day-to-day situations, even if you're riding the mountains especially, there is something called as a good turn point. The whole idea of a good turn point is it's optimal in terms of you getting better vision, in terms of control, in terms of being at a decent speed on the motorcycle, and at the same time you being away from a.
So if you want to go left, you're going to turn right. Okay? And, okay, now again, this is very, very like when you're turning or when you're leaning, let's say taking a corner at 60, 70 kmph, what you're doing.
Yeah, so now getting ready to get to the actual track for executing the training. काफ़ी चीज़ों पे ब्रीफ किया, लाइक throttle control, braking, apexes on curves. So it's time to put that all to test. So we've been divided into 3 groups. The first one is that they'll learn probably the braking technique. Those guys are going to learn the throttle technique, and we're going to probably learn how.
About counter steering. Okay, so I'll show you how I do it. Okay, you try it. Come back here. Tell me whether it works or not. Okay. Now, if we need to do it like you sitting pillion with me, something like that, we'll try it that way, and I'll show you how much I jerk for it to actually fall right. Okay. Now.
So we our first task is to learn how to counter steer. But it looks like हम लोग subconsciously ये चीज़ करते हैं, but when you are trying to like deliberately do it, it's not the same thing. होता ही नहीं है. So I tried to do that, but it looks like हुआ नहीं counter steer. Like I was not able to identify which point I need to tilt the bike. So अभी Pelion जाके, he's teaching us. So the whole idea of counter steering is that if you want to go in one direction, you tip your motorcycle into the other direction, and because of the weight shift, you go into the direction that you want it to. So for example, if you want to go to right, like if you want to steer to the right, you tip your motorcycle a little bit to the left, and then because of the weight shifts, you will go to the right. So you have to trust your motorcycle just a little bit to let it tip.
But one by one.
So this drill right now is about braking. So we are supposed to start accelerating from these first set of cones and apply the brakes at the second set of cones, and we are supposed to accelerate as much as we can and gain speed. So the first time when you go around, you brake as you do, and then gradually in the subsequent rounds keep increasing the inputs on the front brake and eventually go just the front. So he said my technique was right, but I applied the brakes a little early, so my stopping distance was a little less than the others. So I'm going to try applying the brake at the right moment now. But this was fun. So this drill is about taking turns, like better turning, and your position and your posture on the motorcycle. Like if you want to keep your hands a little stiff, how does it feel when you're a little loosey goosey, and also which line feels the best to you when you turn, where exactly do you want to be seated on the motorcycle, towards the tank or a little behind, and all of those things we'll test out here. So yeah, but first we're going to take a couple of sighting laps just to get the feel of the track. I actually did when I was coming here, but that's what we'll do. Yeah. Hey, yeah, this was fun, man. I think I could lean quite a bit on on that curve. I think it was a little elevated also, so that helped. Yeah, and it also depends on what line you take, right? So अंदर वाली line लोगे तो दिक्कत होगी. I was so happy. अभी our coach he asked me कितने किलोमीटर चला लिया है. I said क्या हो गया यार? तो I said around 10. तो he said कि nice smooth है काफी. तो यार मतलब मजा आ गया देख सुन के. Actually, I was having a lot of fun at the track. पूरा अच्छे से एकदम I was leaning as much as I could. And this thing is a lot of fun. I think I'm able to lean quite a bit on this track, but I'm enjoying it every bit of it. Whoa! I think I was just about to grind my foot peg. But my shoe just touched the ground. Fucking crazy, man. That's the coach. So this guy Sunny is basically just showing everyone where to look when you're taking a corner. Counter steering, pushing all the momentum with the front brake, and this lap was beautiful. I wouldn't have imagined being the bike so much. So it was pretty amazing. Prepare for it. In the Pali. बढ़िया था यार, मस्त था इवेंट. थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने जिस ऑर्डर में ये किया था ना, सो वी डिड द काउंटर ब्रेकिंग हियर फर्स्ट, उसके बाद ब्रेकिंग यहाँ पे, एंड देन वी डिड दिस होल कॉर्नरिंग वाला लैप. सो द ऑर्डर वाज अमेजिंग, अदरवाइज इट वुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल बिट बोरिंग. सो आई एंजॉयड इट. आई होप दे कंटिन्यू विद दिस. बाकी यहाँ पे किसी ट्रैक के यहाँ पे नीचे इन्होंने एक स्पॉट बनाया हुआ है फ़ोटोज़ के लिए. सो देयर इज़ अ डेडिकेटेड फोटोग्राफर हियर. मैं सभी नीचे जाके आई विल गेट दैट फोटो क्लिक डन होम. थैंक यू. चलो भाई, इवेंट ख़त्म. नाउ हेडिंग बैक टू होम. ऑलरेडी 2 बज गए अभी. वेन्यू से निकलते ही देयर इज़ अ CBR कन्वेंशन सेंटर, और इस तरफ भी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं, इस तरफ भी लोग पार करके गए हुए हैं, और बीच में से दोनों तरफ से ट्रक्स निकल रहे हैं. We have been stuck here for at least 15 minutes. Nonsense, man. So alright folks, this marks the end of today's shortest ride. I hope you liked the video as much as I did the training, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.